Mindset of a millionaire. A millionaire mindset focuses on altering your life, beginning with your thinking, in order to reach the goals you want to reach. It's simple. Every day, you must practice intentional routines and methods of thinking. Act as though you've already accomplished your goal if you wish to succeed. Success inspires further success. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Take action. Develop the habit of thinking about your goals. They might be to achieve financial success, improve well-being, a certain professional path, or any other ambition. Once you've decided, put them in writing, and place them in a visible location. Even on the toughest days, they'll be there to remind you of why you're working so hard. Number 2. Success is an obligation. In order to live a fulfilling life, success is more essential than most people realize. Therefore, continuing to pursue it should not be seen as an option, but rather, as a need. Some people approach success as if it were just something that happens to other people. One of the main reasons more individuals don't generate success for themselves is that they treat success as a choice. Number 3. Invest. The wealthy consider their finances far more frequently than most. Making decisions with your money will be much improved by adopting a millionaire mindset and concentrating on it. People who devote more effort to financial planning consistently make better choices, achieve better outcomes, and become financially independent. Number 4. Multiple income streams. Self-made millionaires have several sources of income. Diversification is a wealth-building strategy, as well as a survival tactic for those who want to limit their losses, while investing all of their money in multiple assets. Number 5. Create your own destiny. Millionaires have a sincere belief that their choices will ultimately decide their future. They are motivated to take action and reach their future goals as a result. Number 6. Networking. It's crucial to network. You must project confidence and enthusiasm when practicing a business presentation. People notice and remember those who speak about their dreams in a strong, passionate manner. Through networking, you can meet others who have similar goals to your own. We have articles on mindset of a millionaire in our blog, BraylenAV.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is down below. Number 7. Take calculated risks. The capacity for calculated risks is a component of having a millionaire mindset. Meaning, only risks that have been thought out from every angle are acceptable. Number 8. Delegate tasks. Millionaires know how to make the most of the talent around them, and frequently have a staff that specializes in the areas in which they lack expertise. Their abilities are enhanced by this crew. A successful team is made up of professionals from many sectors, who apply their knowledge to a shared goal. Leaders are aware of their combined strengths, and areas in which they fall short. This enables teams to concentrate on their areas of knowledge and strength, rather than wasting time on things they don't like as much. Number 9. Vision. One of the traits of a millionaire mindset is having vision. You're more likely to acquire a do-it-now mindset that you need to be successful if you have a strong sense of enthusiasm for something. Take time and think, what are you the most passionate about? Number 10. Set ambitious goals. Dream big, and set ambitious goals. The first step towards achieving your dreams is to plan them. Ambitious goals will change your viewpoint and boost self-esteem. Number 11. Learning. To always be learning, new information is crucial. Information is food for your imagination. This will improve your skill set and keep you current with events in both your sector and the wider globe. Gaining knowledge can help you go one step closer to your goals. Number 12. Seek a mentor. Seek a successful mentor who has years or decades of experience in your desired areas, who can help you develop and acquire priceless lessons. This relationship needs to be mutually beneficial, and a good mentor will adapt their mentoring approach to fit your needs. Number 13. Aim for $10 million, not $1 million. $1 million isn't enough to retire on. Increase it to 10 million because bank interest rates are low, and inflation is still eroding the value of what money can buy. Number 14. Confidence. Wealthy people are usually confident. They feel as though they merit prosperity. They are already aware of their immense value, and the fact that no one else possesses their particular set of abilities. You won't get wealthy if you continuously find reasons not to accomplish anything, or if you doubt yourself more than you should. The rich search everywhere for opportunities. Whatever it is, they never allow themselves to think small. Number 15. Focus on providing value. You should always keep in mind to produce value if you want to develop the mindset of a millionaire. When adding value, money will come naturally. This will cause people to buy it, which results in riches. Number 16. Be your own boss. Millionaires have no desire to labor for others. They never take well to having a boss. They desire independence. To think like a millionaire, you must put your attention on establishing yourself as your own boss. Number 17. Build assets. Building assets is a large part of having a millionaire mindset. They put their money into assets rather than liabilities, and invested the time needed to amass a fortune. Number 18. Increase your income. There are many ways to increase your income, including starting a side hustle. The idea is to bring more money in, so that it can be used to acquire more. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more millionaire videos for you.